121 nanometers magnesium fluoride crystals, also known as extreme ultraviolet magnesium fluoride. Atmosphere control is performed during crystal growth to obtain high transmittance. At the same time, because of the complexity of the photoion welding process, there are requirements for the orientation of the crystal, the microstructure, the processing of the lens, and the annealing requirements. It has the characteristics of high purity, high density, and low impurities. Its machinable shapes are round, rectangular, open hole, curved moon, wedge angle, plano-convex, plano-concave, biconvex, biconcave, open ball, prismatic. Optics has complete optical crystal, production equipment, and experience. High quality 121 nanometers magnesium fluoride crystals available. As an optical crystal manufacturer, optical crystals of different shapes and specifications can also be customized for you according to your needs. If you have any questions or needs, welcome to Consult Online.